Hi, I'm Tommy V. I look forward to seeing all of you at the 2022 NGH Annual Convention and Educational Conference live in Marlborough, Massachusetts, and I will be one of your presenters. Please join me pre-convention for the Ultimate Stage Hypnosis Workshop. Workshop number 131. This is a very exciting program that should be attended by all hypnotherapists. This presentation was designed to give you the tools so that you can do your own stage presentations and shows. I will be covering the following topics: how to give a dynamic pre-talk or monologue, present routines that bring the house down, the inductions that I have used for 30 plus years. This presentation is designed to give you the confidence to perform in front of large or small audiences. I look forward to seeing all of you at this year's NGH convention.